Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
Which worker is actually going to take up that role once we fill up that position? Once we fill the position with a worker, that worker will be in that role. Got it. Until the time. What happens? Till the time that the position is unfilled. What can happen? Take a normal example, let's say a manager. You have a department, and you have a manager. The manager's position is vacant. The existing manager left. And we are looking for a replacement. So they could be. If a position is open or that acquisition is open, there are two possibilities. There are multiple possibilities. One could be, they would either want to move an existing person who is suitable for the role. Or no, let's not think about how to fill the position. Yeah, you are right. Where you are going. Like maybe an existing person can be given that additional role. Or they will give it. Yeah, like an existing worker will be given the role or you hire that one. Right. That's what you are going. But my question is that position is vacant. So who plays the role of manager? Till the time this position is vacant. Who is the manager? There could be some associates. The senior position, does the person? Are the senior person. Who is the senior person? The role that the person would be. That is who. The manager would be. The manager would be whom he was reporting third person. Yeah, the person, the manager's manager. Manage. Manage's manager. Is it? Yeah. So remember the inheritance we talked about. That the roles get inherited. And the deputy of the manager. The deputy, but the manager is left. We don't know who is the manager. Yeah, we know that who. Who used to be that manager. But we can't say that, okay, now you are the manager. Unless there is a role assigned to that person. So who is going to take up automatically the role of manager? Assistant manager. Okay, who is an assistant manager? Do we have a role defined like assistant manager? It will be inherited from the superior. It will be inherited from the superior organization. Who is? Whoever is the manager of the superior organization, that person or that worker will take up the role. Till what time? Till the time the position is filled. Got it. Let's take the example from your XYZ Motors. XYZ Motors with the manager of XYZ Motors. In our example, Daniel's floor. And then we have executive, which is again managed by Daniel's floor, and then you have sales, and manufacturing sales is Martin Walters. A manufacturing is Olivia. Okay, now let's say Martin leaves. Martin is no longer in that position. Martin leaves, who becomes the manager of sales? Daniel. Daniel, why? What's the keyword there? Because he is the part of the superior organization. Yeah, so what is I'm looking for a keyword there? Why? Why? What would become the manager? He has relatives. He, if he Daniel's floor, and we will have the manager role as inherited. We may have an open position. We may say that, yeah, we are looking for Martin's replacement. So whoever comes in that particular position will be the manager, right? Because the position has been assigned to the role of manager. Okay, so if the position is vacant, then it will still inherit from the superior organization. As soon as you hire a worker in that particular position, it is no longer being inherited. The new person or the new position, whoever is occupying that new position will be assigned to the role automatically. Makes sense? Makes sense. Oh yeah. This is what happens in real land as well. Now let's say that for some reason, our parents are going out of town. Or maybe we, as parents, are going out of town, and we don't want our children to accompany us. So whom do we leave the children with? With the grandparents, if they are available in the same town, right, if they are available. So what happens? So if the parents are going out, let's say for a movie night. So who inherits the role of the parent? The grandparents. Grandparents, right. So this is in terminology we used in our colleges. So when we were in first year, the second year we used to call them as our technical fathers and mothers. Then we had technical grandparents, and then great-grandparents. The final year students we used to call them as technical grandparents. So I just giving you this analogy, so that you remember that if the manager or if the role is vacant, so then you go to the grandparent or the role in the superior organization, whoever has the role in the superior organization. Got it. If the manager leaves, the manager's manager becomes your manager. So the assignable roles are always tied to the organization. This is where they have the roles, and the assignable roles are also part of a security group called as a role-based security group. These are the people who have the same kind of roles in the organization. So now, what are some examples of common roles? Some common roles are manager, right? For instance, partner benefits, partner compensation, partner whenever you see the word partner. Okay, that gives you a hint that this is a role-based security group or a role. Okay. Role-based security groups are always assigned to the position, and it is based on the responsibility or role in the organization, and it is inherited from the superior organization, if not filled. Right. We are aware of these concepts. Right. It is based on the responsibility or role in the organization. It is inherited from the superior organization, if not filled. Now we will stop here. at this point. And now we will look in Workday about what is the functional area, what is the role, how to create a role, and how to create a role-based security group. Okay. User-based security process. I can be able to talk about in tomorrow's session. Okay. So let's go into Workday. First, let's see how Workday deliver it. Solution in terms of functional areas. I said that there are some functional areas in Workday. Correct. So let's look at that. So there is a report that I would like you to run. And that is called the Func area or Fun area. Okay. So if I run this particular report, let me wait for it to vote first. Okay. So let's say I'm looking for Fun area. Come on. How many functional areas are there? Functional area.